In this video, let's learn how to capture long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. Normally, we can capture a screenshot by pressing your volume down key and power key on same time. Now let's learn how to capture long screenshot. Now in here I can capture long screenshot because I can scroll down this. After I press my volume down key and power key on same time, immediately you want to press this down arrow icon on screenshot toolbar. Now you can see our screenshot is continually capturing. Now let's check our long screenshot. Now this is our long screenshot. In this method, you can capture long screenshot on your mobile.